You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew were all the years I had with you. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give it. As we walk the Golden Mile, down the pretty aisle, I know that you are mine, and there's nothing in this world that I know I wouldn't do to be near you every day, every hour, every minute. Take my hand and let me lead the way. All through your life, I'll be by your side. Death do us part. Baby, I'd be your friend. My love will never end till death do us part. When I wake up every day with you lying in my arms, I wonder if I'm dreaming. When I look into your eyes, I just can't believe it's true that my heart belongs to you. Baby, we can have it all. Girl, take my hand and let me lead the way. All through your life, I'll be by your side till death do us part. Baby, I'd be your friend. My love will never end till death do us part. There'll be good times and there'll be bad, but I will stand beside you, woman, all the way. And through the years, it's life will put us through. When snow will fall on winter nights, I keep me warm inside, yeah, baby, I will.
May hihigit pa ba sa isang katulad mo? Inang mapagmahal na totoo. Lahat ng buti ay naroon sa puso mo. Buhay man ay handang ialay mo. Walang inang hangad mo. Patawad ay lagi sa puso mo. Walang inang matitiis ang isang anak. Ika'y dakila at higit ka sa lahat. Ang awit na ito ay alay ko sa'yo. Ang himig at titik ay pag-ibig sa puso ko. Ika'y nag-iisa, ikaw lang sa mundo. Ang may pusong wagas, ganyan ang tulad mo. Ang awit na ito ay alay ko sa'yo. Ang himig at titik ay pag-ibig sa puso ko. Ika'y nag-iisa, ikaw lang sa mundo. Ang may pusong wagas, ganyan ang tulad mo. Sa buhay kong ito, tanging pangarap lang ang iyong pagmamahal ay makamdam. Kahit na sandali kita'y mamasdan, ligay ay tila bang walang hanggan. Sana'y di na magising kung nangangarap man din. Kung ang buhay na makulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay madarapa, minsan din ay luluha. Di
best. I guess I always will. I always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me, knows me inside out, and helps keep me together, and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain. Someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. True. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out.
School bag in
Lalo ko obra ni mamang yun ni mabisinan, guys. Lalo ko obra na mabisinan. Lalo na sa atin
with an absent-minded smile.
Lasolon na pati magbaginan, guys. Tibisinan.
With a certain and I have to sit down for a while.
Hindi ka kanya na magnatasubo.
Without really entering the world, I'm glad when I'm blind to share my laughter. Like sunny little girls. With my fingers all the time, I try to capture every feeling.
Ang pinaglulungit ang lupa. Kung mananday na.
Really see what's in my mind. Each time I think not close to
Chico.
in our eyes, her and me at the breakfast table, barely awake. I let precious time go by. Then, when she's gone, there's that odd melancholy feeling and the sense of guilt I can't deny. What happened to those wonderful adventures? The places I had planned for us to go. Some of that we did, but most we didn't. And why, I just don't know. Slipping through my fingers all the time, I try to capture every minute. The feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's in her mind? Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing, slipping through my fingers all the time. Sometimes I wish that I could freeze the picture.
Baot mo to, obot ni.
Bawat mo tao po sa jangan buang ito niya. Napakayugot pa jangan buang.
Sa uban.
Bawat mo
Pagsaw-sawa ko natin. Kete.
nasa usaw ka nga rin na. Sa usaw ka na ito jangan buang niya.
Paso.
Sa usaw ka na.